Hey guys, today we're with Zola and we're just talking about the roof that we completed for her. How did we do, Zola?
So you guys did an excellent job. The whole crew cleaned everything up. Everything was done well. There was hardly I didn't notice anything wrong.
That's great. So which one of our project managers did you work with?
With Neil.
Neil? And was he able to help you out in terms of the insurance part of it, or did you have to pay for this out of your own pocket? How did that work?
Nope, I had everything covered besides my deductible. So insurance covered everything.
So if you had it to do over, would you use Excel Roofing?
I would definitely use Excel Roofing, and I recommend you guys to anyone that needs a new roof. So I called Neil, got him to come out. He came out like on a Monday, gave me the estimate the next day. The following day, the insurance adjuster came, and by the end of the week, we were planning on getting the roof done, and Neil said it could be done before the end of March.
Wow, so everything happened really quickly then.
Yeah, it was all very quick and fast and efficient.
And so how was the roofing crew? Did they do a good job?
They did a great job. They cleaned up everything. I didn't notice anything out of place. They moved some of my patio furniture, but moved it back when I came back home. I did end up leaving because I didn't want to hear all the noise, all the racket. But so I was gone for a little bit, but everything was in place and everything looked great. There wasn't anything that was going on that I was concerned about at all. And then the next day, the crew came to finish the gutters, and they finished the gutters within, in the morning. And that was done, and now I have a brand new roof with brand new gutters, and everything looks really great.
She's awesome, isn't she? We really appreciate your business. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah.